In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start QuickBooks over 2026. We'll walk through a short sequence in QuickBooks Online that uses your subscription settings to keep your account active and ready for the new year. This process is simple, but a few details matter to make sure you see the right options on screen. First, sign into QuickBooks Online as the primary admin. That specific role is important because only the primary admin has access to billing controls. If you sign in and don't see billing options later, it usually means you're not using the right role or company profile. Make sure you're in the correct company if you manage more than one. Once you're signed in, go to Settings. You'll find the Settings gear icon near the top right of your QuickBooks window. Clicking it opens your account and company controls, including your billing area. Next, select Billing and Subscription. This page shows your current plan, add-ons, billing cycle, and payment details. It's also where you manage renewal choices and see the status of your subscription, which will be useful for confirming the result at the end. Now, click Cancel Subscription. Don't worry, this click doesn't immediately cancel anything. It opens a guided flow where QuickBooks presents options to change your mind. You'll see prompts designed to make sure you really intended to cancel, along with an option to back out. When you reach that set of choices, choose Continue using QuickBooks. Selecting this option essentially says you want to keep your account active and carry forward into 2026 without interruption. It's a way to exit the cancellation flow and maintain your current setup. You may be asked to choose Continue using QuickBooks again. Think of this as a final confirmation. After you confirm, QuickBooks will take you back to your billing page with your subscription still active. At this point, it's a good idea to glance at the billing and subscription screen to confirm the status shows active and that your renewal date aligns with your expectations for the 2026 period. If you don't immediately see the update, refresh the page and check again. If you manage multiple companies, verify you're still viewing the correct one in the header. That's it. You signed in as the primary admin, opened Settings, went to Billing and Subscription, clicked Cancel Subscription to access the retention prompts, and chose Continue using QuickBooks, confirming it when asked, so you're set for 2026. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your QuickBooks account ready for the year ahead.